In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Power BI to Excel. Whether you're working on a detailed report or just need to share some quick numbers with your team, this method will show you how to seamlessly transfer your data into Excel. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started by locating the data pane. You'll find it on the right side of your Power BI interface. If it isn't already visible, don't worry. All you need to do is expand the pane, and it will appear right there. This data pane is vital as it lists all of the data tables that you've imported into your Power BI project. Once you have the data pane open and in view, you'll see a list of your imported data tables. Take a moment to find the specific table you intend to export. Remember, choosing the right data is crucial for ensuring that your analysis in Excel will be accurate and complete. When you've identified the correct table, right-click on it. This action will reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select Edit Query. By doing so, you're opening a window that allows you to see your data in a table view, similar to what you might expect in other spreadsheet software. This step is essential because it provides a comprehensive look at all the details within your dataset. With the table view open, it's time to select the data. This can be quickly accomplished by pressing Ctrl+A. This keyboard shortcut is designed to select all the data efficiently, ensuring that nothing is left behind. Once every piece of information is highlighted, go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by right-clicking the selected area and choosing Copy from the context menu, or simply pressing Ctrl+C. Now that you have your data copied, it's time to switch over to Excel. Open a new Excel sheet and make sure the first cell is selected. Here comes the easy part. Paste your data into the sheet. You can do this by either right-clicking the cell and selecting Paste or using the Ctrl+V shortcut. Watch as all that valuable data seamlessly fills your Excel sheet, maintaining the structure and format from Power BI. And there you have it. That's all it takes. You've successfully exported your data from Power BI to Excel. This straightforward method allows you to take full advantage of Excel's features for further data manipulation or sharing with colleagues who may not have access to Power BI. By following these steps, you now have the skills to efficiently export data, enabling deeper analysis and easier collaboration. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful tips and techniques.